daughter Kayatu, you may live here till your husband comes back. Now listen to the glories of Lord Vishnu. This is thing and is present everywhere. Now listen to me. Janmadya ime bhava drishta dehasya natmanaha salanam iva vrikshasya kale neshwara Atmanityo Vyaya Shuddha Ekakshetrajna Ashraya Avikriyasva Drukhetur Vyatako Sangyana Vrataha Ete Dvadashabhir Vidvat Atmano Lakshanai Paraihi Aham Mametya Sadbhavam Dehadau Mohajam Tyajet Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya